Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer hosting from Bluehost to SiteGround. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your hosting from Bluehost to SiteGround, first, log into your Bluehost account. Locate the Domains section in your Bluehost dashboard. Select the domain you wish to transfer. Next, unlock your domain by navigating to the Domain Lock setting. Disable the Domain Lock feature to unlock your domain for transfer. Once unlocked, request the authorization code or EPP code, which will be sent to your email. Now, head over to your SiteGround account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for a hosting plan that suits your needs. In your SiteGround dashboard, locate the Website section and choose Transfer Website. Enter the domain you are transferring, then provide the authorization code you obtained. Complete any additional information requested by SiteGround. Once you've submitted the transfer request, check your email for a confirmation message from SiteGround. Follow the instructions in that email to approve the transfer. While waiting for the transfer to finalize, it's a good idea to back up your website on Bluehost. After your transfer is completed, configure your DNS settings on SiteGround. Access the SiteGround domain management area to set your new name servers. Be patient, as DNS changes can take some time to propagate. Finally, verify that your website is running smoothly on SiteGround and troubleshoot any issues if they arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.